Hey, this is Gary Dean, PremiumCustomDetailing.com from Tampa, Florida. I'm here with Chris Vidal, and what's your screen name?
1MZs last forever.
All right, he was at my Premium Detail Bash last weekend, and he asked me a bunch of questions about sealants and stuff like that, and he was concerned about, I guess, polishing his headlights. I keep Opti Guard at my shop, and I invited him over to get the headlights polished out, and I will also apply the Opti Guard to the headlights so that when he goes back to school, he doesn't have to worry about the headlights rehazing or whatever from the lack of UV protection, or have to worry about reapplying the sealant over and over again so that they don't rehaze. So we are going to do a headlight restoration on this, what year is it?
99 Toyota Avalon.
99 Toyota Avalon. These are the headlights. They're not very bad. Chris, when's the last time you did these?
2 years ago.
Okay, so I would say for 2 years, these actually look really good. They're not too yellow. Is this thing garage kept?
No.
Okay, so it sits outside all the time?
Yep.
All right. They are absolutely in, I would say, better than average shape for a vehicle that sits outside all the time. So that's the before. So what I'm going to do now is begin to tape up the headlights. I'm probably not going to wet sand because they're already in decent shape. So then I'll hit them with M105 and then M205. Do an isopropyl alcohol wipe down, and then we'll go into the Opti Guard. I'm going to use Meguiar's M105, and then I'm going to use M205 with the Griot Garage Polisher and the Sonus orange pad. There's no need to wet sand because these headlights have been done prior to this and they don't look that bad. So I've taped up the headlights and we'll compound them first. Can you hand me the Detailer's Pro Series waterless wash, please? Alright, I'm going to use the purple foamed wool and the Meguiar's M105. That's how we do that. Now it's time for an isopropyl alcohol wipe down with 90% IPA, just to make sure there's no polishing oils or anything left on the paint prior to the Opti Guard. It will help it to bond better. All right, now we're going to do the Opti Guard installation. We've already gone ahead and done the isopropyl alcohol wipe down, so now wipe the headlights down thoroughly. Give it time to flash, and then just make sure there's no excess on there, and then we'll pull the tape. All right, here it is in HD. They look clear to me. They've been compounded, polished, and then they both have a coat of Optimum Opti Guard. Fantastic clarity. They look brand new. I'm impressed at how well they were kept after they had been polished originally. So, 1999 Toyota Avalon. All right, Chris, here you go, man. Here's your headlights. What do you think?
They look great. Thanks, man. Really appreciate it.
You don't have to get cheesy on me.
Oh.
No, I really think they look nice.
Yeah, they came out really good.
They looked good to begin with, but it definitely helps that now they're going to be protected. I'm happy with that.
Oh,
So, thanks, man, for coming out. I appreciate it. I'm glad that you were able to make it. And thank you guys so much for watching the video.